Hello, good day to everyone and welcome to our class. My name is Dowy in Tagud and I'm a senior high school teacher. So are you ready for our lesson? We'll be talking about empowerment technology. Chapter 1, ICT applications, research, productivity, safety, and ethics. Lesson 1, ICT in the context of global communication. Information and communication technology. It deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephones, internet, and etc. just to locate, save, send, and edit information. In the Philippines, several companies dub the country as ICT Hub of Asia. It is no secret that there is a huge growth of ICT-related jobs around the country, one of which is the BPO, or Business Process Outsourcing. According to 2003 edition of Measuring in the Information Society by the International Telecommunication Union, there are 106.8 cell phones per 100 Filipinos in a year of 2012. That would mean that every Filipino you meet, there is a high chance that he have a cell phone. And approximately for the 7 of them, they have 2. To add that statistics, Time Magazine's The Selfiest Cities Around the World of 2003 places 2 cities from the Philippines in the top 1 and top 10 spots. With these numbers, there is no doubt that the Philippines is one of the countries that benefits most out of ICT. ICT in contextual of global communication. Information and communication technology plays an important part of our lives and in all aspects in our society. ICT has become the main method of communication, getting information, education, attaining services for businesses, hospitals, utilities, government, purchasing products and services, doing personal and business transactions, and expressing social advocacies and awareness. In education, presently all over the world are affected by COVID-19 pandemic. It is so hard to risk the safety of our students to go to school like they used to. So, online education is one of the best alternative ways for the students to continue their studies online while they are just at home. Modern homes have computers for research and learning by students and family for school lessons. They are also used to learn about people, places, current events, and recent technologies. Computers in schools are used for fast, easy, and effective instruction for learning computers, math, science, and English. Teachers use images, videos, and computer-based training, or CBT programs, to present topic visually to enhance learning. Courses on the internet called online instructions are available to learn various lessons such as origami, cooking, and even earn a college degree. Libraries are now equipped with computers to organize books and to expand references available taught to students through internet. In telecommunication, computers in homes, schools, and government offices, also in hospitals and almost everywhere, are using computer to get in touch with other people. Everyone uses the computer to send messages and other information all over the world. Computers are used to send letters, pictures, video clips, and music. Talking and seeing friends, relatives, and acquaintances are made easier and a lot cheaper by the use of computers connected to the internet. Computers are also used in mobile phone communications to control calls and SMS, or what we call short message service, or text traffic, VoIP or Voice over Internet protocol is voice communication via Internet which costs less than traditional means. In commerce, shops and supermarkets use software which calculates the bills and efficiently processes both cash and credit transactions. Online shopping continues to grow in popularity since it provides a lot of choices for items in pricing from various sources, as well as the convenience of doing everything at home or place where you would rather be. In sports and recreation, there are simulation software where athletes can practice their skills, and the computer will identify the flaw in their techniques. Use of computerized fitness program, gadgets, and equipment. In arts and design, images and graphic design, photo editing, and music arrangements. Music and videos are shared online by their creators and can be downloaded for free or for a fee. Computers in television stations and movie outfits are used by movie directors to create special effects for the TV and movies to make watching movies exciting and truly entertaining. Computers at home are used to play games, listen to music, and watch movies. Media and visual arts. Architecture, interior design, and landscape architecture, animation, web design, and mobile designs. Photography, filmmaking, audio and video. Computers are used by animators to create cartoon characters in movie. Characters created by computer look real. For example, dinosaurs look as if they still exist today, and the dangerous programs run by well-trained artists. Health services. Computers in hospitals are used by doctors to store media data, patients' records, research materials, and other information to effectively diagnose and treat patients. Online health information and consultations are now available to the internet, sharing a valuable experience and expertise just to help and treat patients with rare and serious diseases faster. Computers in operating rooms assist doctors perform microsurgery with accuracy and better chances of success. Computers are used in hospitals to monitor the patient's condition. They send out alarm signal whenever the patient's condition becomes critical, so doctors and nurses can attend to them immediately. Emails are used extensively to communicate with the doctors efficiently. Test results and diagnoses are sent via internet. And with the internet, doctors can share experiences and medical data with other doctors around the globe to research and diagnose patients with greater accuracy. Science and research. Modern laboratories have computers used by chemists to invent materials, medicine, and products to improve life. Physicists look for new renewable, safe, and affordable power sources using computers. Mathematicians solve complex problems with the use of super fast computers. Inventors design and test their products in the computer using simulation to ensure a working model before actual manufacturing. Travel and hotel bookings. Airline fares and tickets are now paid online. Hotel and housing are also reserved using the internet, and even ship travels are also booked online. Travel routes and maps can be downloaded to your PDAs or print maps to ensure you will travel faster and not get lost on your trip. Computers on airports are used by the air traffic controllers just to control and schedule takeoffs and landings, and of course, to ensure safety. Computers on airplanes help both military and commercial pilots to fly and land their planes safely and efficiently. They use computers to know how far they are from their destination, how high they are, learn the plane's condition, and many other information. Cars, boats, and other gadgets are equipped with navigational aids, and it is designed to help the travelers reach their destination faster. You can book air tickets or railway tickets and even make a hotel reservation online. Travel can also browse images of the places they want to see and even view the amenities inside a hotel in advance. In business and accounting, computers in groceries are used by the cashiers to store prices of goods, determine inventory of goods, and calculate the goods in the store. Computers in offices are used to store daily business deals and transactions. Secretaries type their letters on the computer, print, and store them for future use. One can always use the computer in the office for several business activities like planning and scheduling. There are software used to store contact information, generate plans, and schedule appointments. Call centers use computers to record, receive, or transmit a large volume of requests by the telephone and to administer incoming product support or information inquiries from the customers or telemarketing. Data encoders use computers to enter or update data into the computer system database. Medical transcriptionists use computers to convert voice-recorded reports, as dictated by the physicians or other healthcare professionals, into text format. Accountants use computers to know the financial status of the business. Accounting process is done using computers, like preparation of financial reports in a fast and accurate manner. With gathered and research information, computers can be used to predict future trends of business. Timely and accurate information to business managers will give them better decisions to where they will direct their business. Manufacturing industries. Automobiles and other vehicles are manufactured using computer-aided machineries and robots. This is called computer-aided manufacturing, or what we call CAM. CAM is a programming tool that helps produce better products, faster and cheaper with precision and accuracy. Computers in manufacturing also manage raw materials, suppliers, costs, and inventory. Computers in industry are also used to design new and better machines. They test them in a computer before they are manufactured. Some industries are fully automated, meaning all processes are being done by the robots under computer control, such as car manufacturing, book publishing, and in some electronic fabrication. This is called computer integrated manufacturing, or what we call SIM. In banking, almost all of our financial transactions are done by the computer software. They provide ease, security, speed, and convenience. Banks usually provide remote services to their clients by installing automated teller machines, or what we call ATM. It is controlled by the network computer, which dispenses cash and client information. Banks use computers so that people can get and deposit money any time of the day. They also use computers to record customers' account information. Computers help banks to do business away from their location. For example, ATM and online banking. Mathematics, computerized calculators in the creation of buildings, machines, bridges, airplanes, and radio communications. Solve differential equations and advanced numerical algorithms to solve the equations on high-performance computers. Software can help simulate data and demonstrate it using statistical graphs like bar chart, table, or diagram mode. Engineering and architecture. Architects design houses, buildings, and bridges using automated computer-aided design, or what we call AutoCAD. It is a program which is a lot faster and presentable. Civil engineers use computers to calculate strength of the footing foundation of a building. Electrical engineers design and determine electrical power requirements of buildings and houses. Mechanical engineers use computers in their works to design and build machineries and vehicles such as cars, boats, airplanes with better aesthetic, accuracy, and in agriculture, computers are used in research monitoring to improve agriculture, crops, and animal production, care, and management, and also food processing and packaging. Writing and publishing. Books, magazines, newspapers, music, and videos are important products to share. Current information, inspiring and creative stories, great compositions, entertaining movies, educational books, and a lot more are all products of publishing. Print publishing, such as books, newspapers, and magazines, are designed and prepared using powerful desktop computers, using drawings, photo editing, and layout programs. Videos are edited in powerful and faster computers, since videos have higher memory requirements. Video editing programs, together with the programs used in print publishing, may be employed together to craft and finish a movie. Books are shared online by their creators and can be downloaded for free or for a fee. Read news using online newspapers, read using ebooks, research for materials, and journals online. Government services. Computers in government offices are used by Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR to compute taxes of real properties like homes and buildings. The city government uses computers to render services to its citizens. For example, the traffic lights are controlled by the computers to lessen congestion of vehicles. The National Statistics Office uses computers to record the births, marriages, and deaths of the country's citizens. It is also used to record other valuable personal information. The Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, records all citizens traveling abroad. DFA issues computer-generated passport. The latest passports have barcodes included for faster information retrieval and monitoring. Weather analysis. There are supercomputers used to analyze and predict the weather of the day. Data gathered from the weather satellites will be calculated by these computers to give the wind direction, wind velocity, volume of rainfall, and other important weather information. Space exploration and aeronautics. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration in the USA uses computers in spacecraft to explore planets and other heavenly bodies. Computers are likewise used in Earth Control Station for spacecraft and satellite on mission. Computers are also used in satellites and control stations to monitor weather, transmit voice and data, and other applications around the world. Computers on board spacecraft are equipped with cameras, videos, and other sensors that send vital data back to Earth. Pilots are trained using software which simulates flying. Flight simulations are safe and cost-effective, means training future pilots without the risk of a real airplane or craft crash. They employed software to enhance both the visual and mechanical reflexes to new and even seasoned pilots. Wow! And that's the end of our discussion. Okay, thank you very much guys for listening and watching. And this time we're going to have a quiz. And right after that, I want you to submit it to me at dowy1117@gmail.com. Alright? Did you get it? Okay, so I want you to answer this following questions. What is information and communication technology? Number 2, how important is the computer? And lastly, cite the different uses of computers in education, telecommunication, health services, travel, business, and publishing. And thank you very much, guys. By the way, my name once again is Dowy, and gotta go now. See you next time. Bye bye.